Looking for peace, serenity in a modern farmhouse feel? Hi, I'm Andrea.
And I'm Todd. We're the Hilton Home Team. We're here today at 8784 Highway 542 in Spring Bay on Manitoulin Island. Let's check out this beautiful century-old home.
I love the feel in this kitchen. Modern farmhouse. I am in love with the full height cabinetry, really accentuating those extra tall ceilings, and it flows beautifully into the dining space. From there, we have a beautiful flow into the very spacious living room.
Wasn't that incredible? We're here reminiscing about our visit today under this veranda with beautiful skylights overlooking incredible natural gardens.
This property sits on just about an acre. And the beautiful part is it is surrounded by a couple of 100 acres of conservation land and bird sanctuary.
This one's not going to last long. Give us a call.